MVP on an average team or better than average team, if Russell Westbrook averages a triple-double, is he the MVP?
Yes, and I said this even before the season. If they get to 45 to 47 wins, and he has the kind of season that I was assuming, which he's having right now, that he would have. I didn't think he was going to be averaging a triple-double through 19 games, but if these kind of numbers, absolutely. And I also had Billy Donovan as coach of the year if they won 45 to 47 games, because with the loss of Kevin Durant, it was going to be a changing of the guard, so to speak, for Russell Westbrook and, for Billy Donovan. And for both of those guys to put up the numbers, especially Russ, I mean, this is an unbelievable pace he's been on. So, the magic number for me was 45, but if he's averaging close to a triple-double, absolutely he should be the MVP.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.